How to change region in the App Store. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. It's actually super easy to do, so just follow along. Now, if this video was helpful to you, then please let me know in the comments and let's get started. Well, I'm over here in the App Store, as you can see, and I'm here in the main page on the Today page. And then on the top right, you can see my profile picture. Now, you want to go ahead and click on there. And once you've clicked on there, you can actually see all of this. Now, then you will actually want to click on your name and your email and profile picture at the top. So click on there. This will bring you over to this accounts settings page. And here you can actually see country and region. Now, if you click on there, you will be able to change your country or region. Now, that's basically how you can do it. But let's say you can't actually do this. Then why can't you? Well, the problem is that you probably have active subscriptions. So you want to click on Done. Go back to this settings page, and then at the bottom, you can actually see purchase history. And then here you can actually load up your active subscriptions as well. So you want to go ahead and cancel those first here, and then you'll be able to change your region actually. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.